Yes, Yaram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita. And how are you, friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So, friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about a very common topic. The topic is that how to train our subconscious mind to speak English fluently. So, this is a very common topic, and most of the subscriber asked me and said that, ma'am, please make a video for this topic. So, I thought, why am I not creating a video for this topic? So, here I created a video for you. So please watch the video right till then and don't skip the video. If you skip the video, that means you are going to miss the opportunity which I am going to share with you in this video. So please watch the video right till then, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful, very informative for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. And please, before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, because this things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So let's get to the topic. So our topic is that how to train our subconscious mind to speak English fluently. So here I am going to share with you some tips, okay, and I also share with you how to use these tricks in your daily day-to-day life conversation, in your daily practice, okay. So the first technique is that emerge, okay, emerging. So you should create an environment, okay, you should create surroundings in English, okay, for English, because once you create surroundings, once you create an environment, okay, that your subconscious mind will start observing each and everything, okay. What can it help you? It helps you when your subconscious mind start to observing each and everything. That means your mind is always start to think in English, okay. So create your surroundings, create your environment that is good for your English learning skills, okay. Once you do this, that means your English learning capability is going to high, okay, because your subconscious mind will start to observing each and everything, and it is easy for you to learn this language, a very easy method, okay. So first tips is that immerse yourself in English, means create a surroundings, create a environment that is good for learning this language, okay. So this is our first tips. The second one is that passive learning, okay. What is the passive learning? Passive learning means that when you are doing something, okay, I mean to say that if you are working something and that time you have no time to practice this language, at time you always do the process. I'm going to only change some process, okay. You easily put earpods in your ear and always started to listening some music, okay. So you can only put earpods and start listening English content, okay. When you are doing your work, just as cooking, chopping the vegetables, do the dishes, or working in an office, or traveling in market, anywhere, okay. When you are doing your work, and you at that time your subconscious mind is working learning this language, okay. How can, okay, when you are listening some English song, okay, English content, so your subconscious mind start to observing the sentences, vocabulary, everything, okay, everything in English, and you are working, you are doing work, but your subconscious mind is learning. So it helps you to learn, to enhance your vocabulary, learn how, you know how to make a structure in English. So it will help you once you are doing that thing. So this is my second tips, okay. My third tips is that do affirmative for yourself, okay. What is positive affirmation? I mean to say, you need to give positive vibes to yourself, okay. And because some of the pupils always say that ma'am, I am not improving, I am trying this language so long, okay, but still I'm not improving, I'm not able to speak a single word, so I'm not able to speak a sentence in English. So when you are speaking all the time that I'm not improving, that it is too hard for me, all the time when you are speaking, that your mind always think that you are not improving. So what to do? You need to do just start to say, always say that I am confident, I am so speaking so nicely, and after sometimes I will speak in English so fluently. Okay, so always think the positive vibes. When you think positive, when you say positive within yourself, then your mind start to work on it. Okay, so say always positive vibes. So say always positive thing that yes, I am doing this work, and I'm after sometimes I will be good in English, I will be fluent in English as a native speaker. So in this time I am working, still I am learning this language. After sometimes I will be fluent in English. Okay, and now I am improving. So always say positive vibes. Okay, this is my third tips. My fourth tips is that imagination. Always think in your mind that you are speaking in English with someone. Okay, and when you visualize yourself in that you are speaking in English with someone, and the other person will appreciate you. Okay, and you always think in English, you are always eager to learn this language, and you start to learn this language with everyone. When you visualize yourself, when you imagination, do imagination power. What is the imagination power? When once you think in your mind that you are going to speak in English with someone, and the people appreciate you, then your mind start to do that thing in change that thing in reality. After sometimes you will see that it is going to be a reality. So this is the power of our subconscious mind. Okay, here we are working on our subconscious mind, that how to train our subconscious mind, because being good imagination is really good, and after sometimes you will be real, and I mean you will be speaking English with someone in reality. So make a imagination, make a visualization that you are going to speak in English fluently. Okay, my next tip is that think in English. Okay, when you are started to think in English, and whatever you are doing, whatever you are working, so always just try to think in English. Okay, just try to remind your mind that yes, you are going to think in English. When you do this, then your mind will start to automatically will start to think in English, and once your mind will start to think in English, would be able to speak in English. So just train your mind, always train your mind, think this, I'm doing this work, I'm doing this work, and think in English that what is the translation of this thing which I'm going to do this. Okay, so think in English is very important thing. Okay, once you do this, your mind will automatically think in English. Okay, once in beginning it's feels so difficult, but when you doing this again and again, after sometimes it is easy for you. Okay, your mind automatically think in English in everything. Okay, everything, every situation, what happened, it will be good for you. Okay, it will be good for your learning speaking. Once your mind think in English, then your when you are going to speak in English, then your mind automatically send the words, send the sentences in your mouth, and you are speaking English fluently. So this is a very powerful thing, that think in English always. Okay, now I am saying you in this video, so think in English. What are the vocabulary, what are the sentences uses in this situation? So think in English is very important. Okay, and so here I gave you friends some tips. I hope you will like this video, and I hope this tips which I'm going to say, which I gave you in this video, will help you so much. Okay, so start your practice with these tips which I gave you. Okay, and I'm sure after using these tips, after using the technique which I gave you, you will be fluent in English. After sometimes initially it is seems too hard, but after sometimes it is so easy. Okay, when in your speaking terms. Okay, so friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.